This is a pistol holder for your gun safe or gun shelf. It is a 6-slot. It has foam protectant in there and dividers. So let's take it out of the box and put it together, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's everything that comes with this. There are the posts that go in between. These are the magnet stickers. First, we started by putting the screws on the end of each of the 3 little posts. Then it was easy to start with the first plastic divider. That one has the label printed on it. And then you go foam divider, foam divider, foam divider until you get all the way to the end, and it creates 6 slots. You definitely want to be careful. These little screws are easy to strip if you over tighten them. This 6-slot firearm holder was super easy to put together. On the bottom is where you could attach those magnets, and then it would fit and be held securely inside of a gun safe or shelf that is metal. We did try this with ours and it fit great. As I mentioned, there's 6 slots here. It's a nice sturdy material, yet it's protective with the foam there. So this would make a great way to securely store your firearms, and the value of this product makes it worth checking out. I give it a thumbs up.